Okay, so now I've taken this little screw out of the spindle here, and basically the drive's more or less dropped to bits. And you can see here we've got the two platters, and we've got this little washer here which sits in between, and that essentially acts as a spacer with the read heads sort of whipping in between the two. So if I just try and line that lot up, there you go. So that's how it actually sits in a drive, with the small space in between, with the read heads here actually whipping in and out between the two. Also, it's a better demonstration of the sort of sprung nature of the read arm, on the basis that if it loses power, it immediately drops back to near where the parked position is. And these discs are actually calibrated to each other, so you've effectively got side 1, side 2, side 3 and side 4, and essentially, due to where they are, the head, well, for a start, if these are rotated ever so slightly away from each other, the data effectively won't line up, so as a result the drive would never be able to recalibrate itself. But the drive actually calibrates when it's initially set up, so that it understands where each bit of the discs is in relation to each other. So simply by taking the drive apart in this way, effectively the data is more or less unrecoverable. So whilst this might be 125 gig each side on each platter, the data itself is split up and it just shouldn't read ever again. Also, the fact that, as you can see, these are becoming very, very dirty and covered in fingerprints. They mark really easily. Also, due to fine tolerances of these things, the simple fact that it's exposed to open air with dust and things is enough to stop the drive from functioning normally anyway. So there you go. That's one way to destroy a hard drive.